Hello student. Today we will discuss about the traffic management system. So traffic management system is also one of the major parameter, or you can say it is the one of the basic thing which we need to follow at every point of time while we managing the traffic system. So before going to the session, let me introduce myself. Myself, Dr. Devashish Das. I am the assistant professor of civil engineering department of JS College of Engineering. Here is my email ID, and my WhatsApp and mobile number is given. So if you have any query, you can always feel free to contact with me with the given contact details. So first is the what is the traffic. As you know that this one is the last topic of your traffic engineering section. So you are all aware about the what is the traffic. So basically, for your recapitulation, I again repeat the thing. So traffic is basically a movement of vehicle. So it is basically the movement of vehicles is moving on the road. So the traffic may be two types. It may be vehicular traffic, means the motorized traffic, or it may be non-motorized traffic. So traffic are basically which are moving on the road. So, what is the reasons so leading to the traffic? So, knowledge of traffic rules, violation of rules, and increasing number of the vehicles. Because you all know why it is required. The knowledge of the traffic is why required. Because the literacy rate, as you know, the literacy rate in many of the states in our country in India is comparatively less. So, the people should be more aware. As the accident is one of the major phenomena in today's era, and this is all because of the improper or the insufficient knowledge on the traffic management system. So the knowledge about the movement of the traffic, whether I go to the left hand direction or right hand direction, how to follow the traffic signal, how to follow the road marking, that are the very crucial and important issue while moving in the road. So basically, to have the knowledge of the traffic rules, to know the what are the violation rules, mean if you drunk and drive, what is the consequences, if you over do some overtake speed, then what is the consequences. This all things should be known to the user. So the violation rules should be known to the traffic users. Next is the increasing number of the vehicles, means how the vehicles are increasing day by day, and what are the things a driver should keep in their mind for the smooth movement of the traffic. Another is the accident. Yes, as I said that the accident in Indian scenario, thousands of people are died, or thousand number of people, or number hundred number of people are dying every day all over the India. So the accident studies is one of the major phenomena. Many researchers are doing some research on the accident studies. So to have the knowledge about the what are the various causes, I have already discussed in my previous lecture, one of my lecture, what are the various type of reasons of accident, the collision diagram, the condition diagram, those things have been discussed. So this topic is basically the concluding topic of your traffic segment or your traffic module. Means what thing we need to keep in your mind while we moving in the road. Next is that talking and texting on the phone, as the government and the local authority always emphasis on, and don't walk or drive during talking, means don't talk during driving or don't talk during walking. So this is one of the another this is another issue of facing the or creating the chances of the accident. Next is the construction and encroachment, means what are the various type of rules or the act should be followed while moving in the road. Next, these are the some regulation and the rules and regulation which need to be followed in the roadway. This is already been discussed in your traffic sign, traffic marking. In that chapter or in that lecture, I have did discuss in details that what should be the color of the traffic, various type of sign, the U-turn sign, stop sign, no parking sign. That things already been discussed. As I said that this is a concluding chapter, so I will touch each and every lesson a little bit, so that you can have a combined or the compact knowledge of the traffic engineering. So this is basically make use of sign and symbols alongside the road. So this is the stop sign, no parking sign, no stopping on the standing, and U-turn prohibited. As I said that these are few of the traffic symbol or the sign, but this four five other major symbols we need to follow each and every time while we are taking our car, or even when we are moving by walk. So these are some provisionary symbols or provisionary signs. This is the one-way signs, one-way sign, vehicle prohibited in one direction, straight prohibited, or no entry. So these are the few signs you can easily found out in the road. So whenever now onwards, whenever you went out to the road, whenever you find this type of symbol, try to memorize what this is actually, what this symbol means, what the name of this symbol. Try to recapitulate the thing, you can easily find out the answer. Next is the what are the various type of vehicle act or the regulation. That is the RRR, rule of road regulation, that is established in 1989. MBA Motor Vehicle Act, it is established in 1988. MMVR Maharashtra Motor Vehicle Act, that is the one of the oldest and the finest motor vehicle act in India. That is the CMVR Central Motor Vehicle Rules, that is 19 established in 1989. Now, apart from this, there are many other motor vehicle act are there based on their state. Our state, as I am belonging from the West Bengal, so if you are from West Bengal, you can easily find out the safe drive, safe life. This is the newest and new slogan, and this slogan reduces the accident rate by 20%, 20 to 25%. So this is a very prominent, and it has an impact on the society, because whenever you can see the same slogan throughout around yourself in each and everywhere, it definitely creates some impact on your mind. So the social awareness among the people regarding the accident or the traffic movement is one of the vital issue to towards the better traffic management system. So an indicated list of the possible offense and their respective penalties. So these are the few penalties chart you can find in details. What are the various type of penalty charts? I will not go in details because these things are easily available in the internet. So the document act code, the fine is 300. So this is the rules and regulation of the fine imposed. This is not up to date, this is some back data. Means it the data is around 2015 or 14, because in 2018 government had fixed a few new rules in 2018-19. So based on that rules, this rule, that rules only implemented in the road while someone making some offense or violate the rule. So these are the few type of the your say penalties. This is the sample number plate. You can find out that the some number plate either in above front, either in this front or in this front, means the pattern or the style. It is in one liner, it is two liner. So basically the background should be white and the letter should be in black letter. So now if you move to some hilly area in tourist vehicle, you can find out that the back portion is in yellow color and the font, the number are written in the black. So based on the area, based on the purpose of the vehicle, the font color and the top your text color will be changed. So this is the standard which you can find out in any commercial or the private vehicles. So these are some enforcement and fine collected since 2002. Since 2002, there are various type of fines in various states have been collected due to the avoidable or due to the penalties in improper traffic management system. So the some basic solution is developing adequate infrastructure for handling traffic, right of way, RTO, licensed driver must strictly adhere to traffic rules. Yes, if you are not adhere the traffic rules, there the traffic will definitely do some penalty or do some fine on you. Tightening the highway security and strict implementation of the traffic law. So the plans of the government and the traffic polices are the traffic warden, motor vehicle department. So traffic wardens mean the traffic polices are there, traffic motor vehicle department are there. You can find out in every check post or every intersection you can find some traffic police are there to manage this traffic system. Now why they are to manage the traffic system? Because when we studied in traffic signal, I have told you the traffic signal are basically three types. One is manual, one is semi automatic, and one another is fully automatic. So manual means which is controlled or maintained by the traffic police. So basically the traffic police are there to maintain or to manage the traffic system by maintaining the traffic signal. So managing of traffic signal is a issue, is a outcome, and one of the important parameter for this outcome is the traffic signal. So the traffic signal, then speed, then volume, these are the small parameter which are responsible for a proper traffic management system. So the local scenario is road safety. The bus services, I am taking a case of Maharashtra. So you can find out that the Pune bus day, or the road safety week, BRTA. So these are the few things they have initiated for awareness among the users. So this is a simple thing about the your traffic management system. So if you have any query, anything, you can there are my contact details are there. So basically it is the start early, plan wise, drive neatly. So these are the few slogans: reach safely, prevent pollution, and protect environment. So basically we have to keep in mind all the parameters. We need to be drive in a proper way by following the proper rule, and also we have to keep in your mind that it should not harm the environment in any way, either in terms of pollution or in terms of damage. So if you have any query, you can reach me on my given contact number. This is basically a few things, or the summarization or concluding of my traffic module. So for the next class we will discuss with some another topic with some another module. So till the next class, thank you.